just saw her down here. Oh, there's Mister. She's not far from, she's right here too, somewhere. There he is, right there. It's in that tree. They scare pretty easy, Cardinals. But yeah, female was here just a few minutes ago. You're here every day. I see him almost every day when I'm here. I usually work all day, but yeah, busy bird feeder today. I've been letting the chipmunk. Chipmunk knows how to get into it. He's got his own little thing going on, so I'm going through a little more bird feed than I usually do. And it kind of seems like maybe the neighbors aren't feeding the birds like they used to be, because I've never ever seen it like this before. So I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I got good stuff, you know. But yeah, I want to see Mama, but I don't see Mama Cardinal. There's something pucking around down there. I don't know what that thing is. I wish I could zoom in a little better. This is just a stupid iPhone 8. Or is it a 12? I don't know. Yeah, it's a 12. But, yeah. Anyway. Busy bird feeder. Reedfield, Maine today. Yes. Saturday, April 28th. Springtime. Rain coming in. Snowmobile still on the front lawn. I'm gonna fix that tomorrow. But anyway, busy bird feeder. That one right there. I went through probably almost a pound today. That was full this morning. It's almost half empty.